Try to answer this word problem. A cemented space in the shape of a trapezoid whose bases measure 136 meters and 84 meters, and its height is 100 meters. A 5-meter wide walkway is constructed which runs perpendicular to the bases. Calculate the area of the space after the addition of the walkway. Let's analyze and illustrate the given problem. It is stated that the shape of the cemented space is a trapezoid. The bases, of course, are the parallel sides. The shorter side would be 84 meters long, and the longer side is 136 meters. The height is also given, which is 100 meters. If we are to calculate the area of the trapezoid, we have all the information we need, and it is pretty straightforward. However, the problem is asking about the area of the trapezoid after the addition of the walkway. In other words, from the original area of the trapezoid, we have to subtract the area occupied by the walkway. Find the area of the given trapezoid. Use the formula area equals base 1 plus base 2, then multiply the sum by the heights, then divide by 2. We add the measurement of base 1 to base 2. Let's have the side with the length of 84 meters as base 1 and 136 meters as base 2. It doesn't matter if you switch the numbers, anyway you'll get the same answer. Multiply the sum of the bases by the heights, which is 100 meters, then divide by 2. We can also just simplify 100 and 2, where 100 becomes 50 and 2 becomes 1. What is left is just the sum of the two bases, which is 220 meters, to be multiplied by 50. This results in an area of 11,000 square meters. From this area of the trapezoid, we need to subtract the area of the rectangular walkway. Now we have to find the area of the rectangle, just by multiplying the length by the width. The height of the trapezoid has the same measurement as the length of the rectangle. The area would then be equal to 100 meters times 5. That would be equivalent to an area of 500 square meters. To calculate the area of the trapezoid after the addition of the walkway, we just subtract 500 square meters from 11,000 square meters. The final area of the space, excluding the walkway, is equal to 10,500 square meters. And there you have it. If you find videos like this useful, a like would be appreciated. Feel free to check out other interesting videos on this channel.